Hi everyone, it's Kate. I am live from Arizona. It is about 108 degrees here, and it's like walking into a hair dryer in the morning. Welcome to our back to school episode on a privacy update. Now we have in decision 42, we have an access request. Now, this one actually relates to a lot. It sounds, the backstory about this, I'm sure, is fascinating. I don't know the backstory, but the commissioner is not impressed in this particular case. This does involve a physician. I believe that a physician has retired, and then there was a request for access to the records. So all of your ears should perk up, because this all could happen to any of you who have physicians aligned with your practice. And what happens if that physician retires? Who is going to be responsible to ensure access to that physician's records? Now, for those of you who have integrated health record systems, it is possible that you would just, like, a patient could show up to the family health team and ask for a copy of their health record, and if there's an ongoing clinical relationship, you would maintain it. If they've transferred to another physician, you may have sent the records to the other physician, you may have retained a copy. But this case highlights for all family health teams that you really do need to have something in place where you have anticipated when one of your physicians retires, who is going to provide ongoing access to that information to patients who may need it. So in this case, a patient came forward and asked for access to their records, and the physician just simply never responded. And you should note that this physician had made no arrangements for someone else to take over responsibility for those records. So there was just the patients were just kind of left in limbo. There was no one to go to. So the patients then complained to the privacy commissioner. Well, the privacy commissioner tried to contact the retired physician, and the retired physician didn't respond. So the privacy commissioner has actually issued an order in this case. So retiring from the practice of medicine does not get you out of the control of the privacy commissioner's office. The commissioner can actually order even individuals who are no longer practicing in healthcare to do certain things. So the privacy commissioner ordered the physician to respond to this access request, and also then raised the standards of practice for physicians about the transfer of custody and control of records upon retirement. Now, what's interesting in this case is a physician may feel like, well, what can you do to me? I've already retired. I don't care if you take me to the CPSO, because I don't care about my registration anymore. However, as we all know, there are offense provisions under the health privacy legislation, and I wouldn't be surprised in this case if there were costs if this physician does not respond, that there could be fines ordered in this kind of case. So again, reminder to all of you that you need to make sure that you have arrangements with your physicians about transferring records when they retire. Okay, are there any questions? I think we're good.